Alright guys, what's up and thank you so much once again for dropping by this YouTube channel Pinamoney Online. Mr. Shane is here. So guys, dito muna tayo ngayon sa ating channel. Imbitahan po kita guys na panoorin mo itong mga previous upload natin, especially itong mga free airdrop po. Dahil meron tayong legit online jobs 2024. So sa mga naghahanap ng mga online jobs, try to watch this video guys kung paano po siya gagawin kasi pwede kang magsahod dito ng 1,500 a month. Okay, at kaganda po dito lalo na sa Mindanao, sa Davao del Sur or Davao City area. Meron pong hub dyan po guys sa online jobs na ito. Alright. So, ayun guys, meron tayong i-share ngayon na bagong mining app which is called, hanapin natin muna. Ito, Maldorini Network. Okay, so, ito po guys is bagong airdrop na naman na i-share natin So, ganito lamang po ang app sa ngayon. So, bagong-bago pa siya. And then, meron na tayong namina na 10. Itong Maldorini Network. So, bisitahin natin itong Maldorini Network. Ano ba itong Maldorini? So, bisitahin natin itong website nila para ano ba malaman ninyo kung ano ba itong Maldorini. So, Maldorini News and Updates, Maldo Updates. So, the latest news and updates technology. So, Maldorini Network app is back online. So, I think matagal-tagal na itong Maldorini Network app, guys. And then, Maldo Wallet, a state-of-the-art cryptocurrency wallet. So, official cryptocurrency wallet of Maldorini Technology LLC. So, it will support the MLD and over 15 other major cryptocurrencies. So, Cardell is coming soon. So, the Maldorini social media platform Cardell. So, meron silang social media na gagawin, itong Cardell, which we launched on February 14, 2024. So, next month na po yan. So, you can make new friends, fall in love, and expand your community with people from all over the world in a safe and secure online environment. So, ayan po guys, abangan natin itong bagong social media platform ng Cardell. So, baka one of the mga kalaban din ni Facebook, mga kalaban ni TikTok, kalaban ni Instagram. So ano pa ba dito? Ano bang coin na makukuha natin or crypto na makukuha natin dito? So ang makukuha natin dito is tinatawag na Maldo or MLD. Ayan, so the Maldo cryptocurrency MLD is the official cryptocurrency of Maldorini Technology. So take note guys, it is a customized ERC20 token that is powered by the Ethereum blockchain network. So ayan po, so powered by the Ethereum blockchain ERC20. So Maldo token roadmap, ayan na po, ito po yung roadmap nila. The table below display the roadmap of Maldo token. So ayan po. So I think nasa pa tayo ngayon sa development and social media establishment. Itong nasa phase 1 pa tayo, and then Maldorini community, liquidity po parang wala pa. And then sa pre-sale. So start a pre-sale campaign airdrop to all community members. So total supply and specification. So total supply is 3.5 billion MLD. It is fixed and cannot be further minted. So the MLD is customized with the burn features, thus making it burnable should there be a need to burn exist MLD in case of an overflow. Alright, so ayan po guys ang token na Maldo or MLD. So token ni Maldo MLD chain is ERC20. Total supply. So pre-sale launch date will be launched on the February 1st. So ayan po. So official launch on mainnet. So at this moment the MLD is already live on the Ethereum blockchain mainnet. So live na pala, and then however you cannot use the MLD for the commercial and utility purpose until it's official launch. So hindi pa talaga siya officially launched. So the MLD will officially be launched on the 1st of March 2024, after which all MLD holders can use their tokens for commercial and utility purposes. The Maldorini cryptocurrency wallet will be launched before the official launch of the MLD. The MLD will be supported by the Maldorini cryptocurrency wallet and many other major cryptocurrency wallet. So ownership, makikita nyo dito. Okay, so yan po. So at least guys, na-share natin tong project na ito ngayon sa inyo guys, and then lang kayo, kung i-click niyo itong buy Maldo or MLD, so ayan po, makikita niyo na as of the moment the MLD is not yet open for purchase. the MLD will be open to the public for the purchase within the second quarter of 2024. So please bear with us. You will be able to buy MLD directly from this page as soon as the purchase portal open. So coming soon. Coming soon pa po yung pag-purchase. So far, ngayon, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-download nyo yung application para makapagmina kayo every day. So I think 24 hours po nagbimina po siya. So after 24 hours, balikan nyo naman. Tapos click nyo naman ulit itong session countdown dito. Click nyo na naman yan ulit para magmina na naman ng token. Okay, so i-refresh natin yan. So that's for refresh successfully. Ayan, so ayan po. So wala ka lang ibang gagawin dito is mag-register ka lang gamit ang iyong email address, tapos nandyan po yung natin guys, yung invitation code para buo tayo ng network po dito sa Maldorini Network. Okay, so far ma-appreciate ko guys kung masasali kayo sa team ko para mabigyan din po kayo ng update. Alright, so every time meron tayong update dito sa Maldorini. Okay, so alam ko yung iba na may mga mining, yung iba ina-uninstall na nila kasi parang nasawa na sila sa kahihintayin kasi walang nangyari. But guys, there's still tawag nito hope po. Okay, so lalo na sa mga ibang cryptocurrency mining gamit ang mobile phone. Alright, so by the way guys, kung gusto niyo pong manood na or kung gusto niyo pong kumita ng mga libre, so nandyan po, nilagay ko na po yung link or video dyan, nandyan po sa screen. Naka-playlist po yan para makita niyo pa po yung mga ibang airdrop po na sinishare po natin. Alright, so guys, once again, this is Pinoy Money Online and I hope to see you on my next video.